This is my test run. It is winter, the middle of winter. This is not a very hard area, but it is very, very wet. So I'm doing a test here, and a little bit later on when I get the hang of it, I'm going to take it over to the area that is quite substantially tall. In the meantime, let's watch. This ground is so wet. So wet. This is a hanging swamp. This is doing a lovely job. The mulch in, here's a little, that'll be interesting. Now look at that. It just went straight through it, didn't worry it. I had my doubts, I gotta tell you, I had my doubts, but now watching it actually performing, I'm stoked. Off it goes. There's no time to talk, Dave. I've got to go and work.